Welcome to cabin 1138 on the Margaritaville Islander. Let's see what we got. This is our interior cabin. When you step in, you have all the standard safety information on the back of the door. On the left side, you have 3 closets, floor to ceiling with hangers. The middle one, duplicate, floor to ceiling with hangers. The third one has shelves. Move on to the desk area. The top drawer is where the hair dryer is. There's 2 more drawers below that. Then under the desk itself is a drawer. There's a little stool there. I love the decor, the flip-flops, and yes, my shirt says it's 5 o'clock somewhere. Here's all the information they gave us when we came in, including the daily checklist to chill. Again with the decor. The little half surfboard shelf. The lights on each side. There's a USB port at the bottom of it. 2 shelves on this side. Duplicate over here. And that switch turns on and off all the cabin lighting. So we come down the right side. These little bumpers that are on the wall on both sides of the cabin are for the drop-down bunks that are in the ceiling. I think this is the first cabin we've ever had that have had those on it. As you come down the right side of the cabin, you have the little chiller refrigerator, the ice bucket, the glasses, the flat screen TV, license to chill, and I believe I will. The temperature controls. And then on the wall, we thought this was pretty cool, are the cleats. There's no washcloth. Okay. There's a little stool under the TV beside the little refrigerator chiller, and underneath that we've placed our wastebasket. So just past the cleats are the facilities. You step in, you have the shower with the clothesline. You have the Margaritaville shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. The adjustable hand wand, towels and washcloths, the pull-out shaving mirror, the glass shelves on both sides. Underneath you have the wastebasket. You have extras. Then you have the sink. I love how they've gone all out with the decor and the accessories in these cabins. But this is where the muster stations are, which we'll be doing the muster drill here before long, I assure you. Again, welcome to the Margaritaville Islander.